a quick tutorial in response to a question regarding the breath pattern when we practice the forward jump, the jump through, and the backward jumping. Actually, in all asanas which require lightness in space and in ease, we do the asana when we inhale. Alright, because the inhalation is that buoyancy, the energetic lift. You can practice the element halfway through the inhalation, or you might take a light breath and at the top of that inhalation take a light kumbhaka, like a retention, so you can keep the lightness and then you do the action. So I will be demonstrating both patterns. Maybe you can apply one or both and it will help you create that space and lightness when you practice this element. Alright, the forward jump. We exhale, we bend the knees and then hips close. Alright, you want to keep this together. Alright, halfway through the inhalation. Inhale and up to stand. Alright? Yeah. How about when you want to take light breath and a kumbhaka? Inhale. Take a light clip of breath, retention, but don't wait too long. You have to do the action right away as soon as you feel the lightness at the top of the inhalation, such as this. Inhale and then down. So actually, when you hold the kumbhaka, since you are maintaining that lightness, it will be feeling lighter. Alright, but you have to do it fast. You don't want to be waiting too long, otherwise the breath will go heavy. Same as when you backward jump, like this. So you can inhale, and then halfway through that inhalation you press, and then you jump back, and then you exhale as you land your feet behind you. Inhaling, and then back, exhale. Alright. When do we now actually take the second half of the breath? While we are suspended up in the air, you might hold a little suspension and then continue the breath, and then exhale to turn back. All right. When you jump through, same. Halfway through the inhalation, crouch it, and then you jump through. Same. Like kumbhaka. For example, inhale and then clip of breath. And then you jump through. Alright, you have to do it fast when you do that kumbhaka. Yeah, so that's some breath tips or breath insights. So you don't muscle it, although this will require many times of practice, because you really have to time the breath and the movement, and they should go really beautifully together when you practice the elements. Until the next tutorial, namaste.